Hi, my name is Jalen, and the organism I chose to focus on is a sponge. A sponge's common name is sponge, and its scientific name is porifera. A sponge's natural habitat. Some sponges can live in fresh water, and others live in marine habitats or saltwater. How do sponges get food? Well, sponges are filter feeders and have two types of cells that both play significant roles in its life. One of these cells can be defined as choanocytes, which are cells that are able to filter food from the water that is inside the sponge. The other cells are amoebocytes, which are also used to digest food as well as deliver nutrients to the sponge's body. These amoebocytes also produce the sponge's skeleton. This skeleton is made up of calcium, silica, and carbonate, or spongin, which is a protein. The sponge's skeleton also aids in its ability to combat the high volumes of their habitat of water, which runs through them constantly. The importance of sponges on humankind. Sponges have a variety of impact on its ecosystem as well as humans. According to the article, "These strange underwater animals could save our lives if we don't destroy them first" by Benji Jones, sponges have properties that have been used in medications like AZT. AZT is an FDA-approved drug used to treat HIV by lengthening their lives. Halaven is a drug used to treat breast cancer, and on average allowed those who participated in a clinical study to take the drug to live 25% longer than those who didn't. And remdesivir, another FDA-approved drug to help treat COVID. This medication helps reduce the risk of dying and helped in recovery. These sponges have chemical properties like antiviral, antimalarial, and antibacterial properties that are used in medications. Another way sea sponges can be important to us is they help us to not stink. Sponges can be used as natural loofahs. According to the article, You Need an All-Natural Shower Scrubber by Adam Hurley, sponges can make soft and gentle exfoliators and is very easy to clean. While they're important to humans, they're also important to their ecosystem. Sponges can provide shelter for other species in its ecosystem like shrimp, algae, crabs, and by doing this, they also receive nutrients from those organisms that they provide shelter for. As you can see, sponges don't get the credit they deserve for the many ways they contribute to their ecosystem as well as our life. A sponge's predator/prey relationship. According to the Coral Reef Connections by PBS, some sponges have evolved to have an anti-sponge toxin like microdna, which helps them compete for space against other sponges who don't have this toxin. Most sponges today secrete toxins that also provide protection against sea slugs, who feed on the sponges. Also, sponges are sessile, meaning they cannot move, therefore they can't run away from predators, so they have sharp spicules that help provide some protection. Where are sponges on the tree of life? Sponges are located on the Eukaryota domain, and they belong to the kingdom Animalia. A sponge's unique evolved traits. As stated earlier in my slides, sponges have evolved toxins that help aid in repelling predators away. Not only have they evolved these toxins, but they have evolved sharp spicules that help protect themselves since they cannot move or run away from predators. They also have evolved to be filter feeders, where they take in water through their pores, filtering out food to eat, and then releasing filtered water back out.
An ocean sponge looks something like a weird plant. It's actually an animal. In fact, sponges are among the simplest multicellular animals on Earth. They live on the bottom of the ocean, attached to a surface and never moving because they can't walk or swim. Some are quite colorful, while others are drab. They also come in all shapes and sizes. There are tube sponges, vase sponges, barrel sponges, rope sponges, encrusting sponges, and many other types.